When we compare Articles 21A, 41, 45 and 46, a common factor is that they all focus on or touch upon education in some way or the other. But there are some crucial differences between them. Article 21A is a constitutional obligation on the government, a must do, whereas Articles 41 and 45 say endeavor or try to do if it is within the state's economic capacity. And Article 46 is limited in scope to certain sections of the society only. Now 21A is a fundamental right, whereas 41, 45 and 46 are only directive principles. Because it is a fundamental right, 21A is enforceable by the courts, whereas 41, 45 and 46 are not enforceable. They are just directive principles or guidelines. 21A specifically focuses on elementary education, whereas 41, 45 and 46 have a broader scope covering education, employment, assistance and care. And to ensure the implementation of 21A, the RTE Act was enacted in 2009, whereas 41, 45 and 46 are not backed by any acts. They just act as guidelines or they just influence the government's actions or policies.